Okay, now that I'm done with all that. Yeah, okay. No, I didn't want to collect a cigarette because smoking is bad for you. Oh, jeez. God dang it. Freaking heck. I don't even know what. Okay, it is. What's up with your face? Face is screwed up. Eyeballs. 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 I like eyeballs. Do you like eyeballs? I like eyeballs. Oh no, ghosties. Hello, ghosties. Nobody's gonna want you. Oh, because you're spliced off. That's why you couldn't shoot frogs. Anything like that. Okay. Well, I'm drunk. Nah. What the heck? And that's a hint to what's over here, because there's a hole in the bathroom. Considering that it's splattered everywhere over there, I'm guessing somebody had a bad case of diarrhea. Yeah, but anyway. That's all of that. Okay. Yep. Why not? Okay. Okay. You know, I'm depending my life on just a random guy who just randomly, like, you know, said pick up that shortwave radio, and he's just randomly, you know, talking to me. I don't know who he is or anything like that, but, you know, whatever. I wonder if a Big Daddy could come through there. Nope. Because it's just a solid wall, unless it bursts right through the wall, which would be pretty impossible. Almost impossible, because no, actually it could burst through the wall, but that would be highly improbable. Plus, oh no, whatever. That's probably not gonna happen. And look at that! A Big Daddy's up there anyway. That's completely legit. Oh, what are you doing? Oh! Got burned! I bet seriously, this magically appeared there. Yeah, seems legit. I'm using that phrase so much in this episode. And this is a long episode, I didn't even say. Yep. Oh, that's not pretty. Neither is your face. No, but seriously. Oh, God. You know, I'll help you break that. Alright, yeah. Unbound. And let's look over here, and look at that. Didn't come over on this side. And the smoke just disappeared. But for the time, before the time when this came out, this was really good, and it's still really good. What am I talking about? It's just kills me. And it's just completely gone, just no sight of it, ever. I'm guessing the people who didn't take Adam, or Adam, didn't get killed to death. Wait. Yep. Oh, hello. I'm not using this. Why don't I just use a revolver? Your face is terrifying. Okay, let's go. And I'm guessing that's the Big Daddy. I don't know. Maybe it was the Big Daddy from them. Maybe it wasn't. Who knows? Goodbye. I'm not getting that from this. Or maybe it just ended right as I was in. And thank you for the monies. One time I just got, actually I'll talk about this story later. Oh, look at that. Just a free passage there. Seems totally legit. So let's go in on... But seriously. Does that say... But that's just like literally saying, hey, something bad's gonna happen and it's gonna set you back an entire level. Right there. Right there is just saying it right in your face. I mean, seriously. I mean, seriously. It's... Whatever. Oh, look at this, yay. Security alert in progress. Derp, derp. Oh, look. Oh, well, I guess we could just flamethrower. Okay. Ouch. Freaking heck! You're a hardy, aren't you? Okay. Oh! God, where are you? Over there? Oh, I'm blind. How? Oh, look at that. I wonder why there's no gun on this side. Because it's probably free to go. Security lockdown. Wait, hold on. I killed your Charlie, but aren't you already dead? Or are these so mutant that they come back to life? But no. Head to medical? I don't want to head to medical. If I don't want to head to medical. Medical. Yeah, that's medical for villains, but not medical. So it looks like I'm just gonna have to try to go over here again. Okay, that's a bad idea. I can't imagine how sore his like wrist or whatever would be after that. I mean, just having to stick a needle in his arm so many times. And look, the needle's freaking thick, man. I can imagine how. He just blatantly does it. He's like, yep, more here. Either Jack is way too BA, or he's stupid. I don't know. Let's do this. Or all of his nerves have gotten shot out by the times he's been shot, which has been tons of... Okay. Oh, look at this. Movie time! Oh, hold on, don't look. Epilepsy. Okay.
Which one of them bitches said to you, KGB roof, CIA jacker? Here's the news. Rapture isn't some sunken ship for you to plunder. And Andrew Ryan isn't a giddy socialite who can be slapped around by government muscle. And with that, farewell, or possible down.
Goodbye, bro. I'm just gonna leave the city and, there you go. What? Okay. Here, guys, I'll help you. Why is this glass not breaking? Okay, let's go. And I'll end off this episode here. I'm gonna save, like, no, I can't save, okay. I'm gonna end off this episode here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!